What's up my beautiful people? Welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm at home to my beautiful mom house right now, guys. If you're new here and if the first time to watch my video, kindly guys consider by subscribe to support me by subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, to share, like and comment. And for returning viewers, welcome again to support me, guys, to watching my video, guys, until the end. Right now, guys, it's in the morning here. I don't know what's your time, guys. It depends wherever you're taking your time to watch my video, guys, until the end. Actually, the title of the video is gonna depend today's work at my mom's house. Right now I have a brush. So today's work, guys, at my mom's house, we want to clean the window, and maybe tomorrow, actually we have not finishing doing the job of my mom's house, so that maybe tomorrow's video or my video, the next vlog, or my brother Chef Matiko's vlog, we are going to update you about what is going inside to my mom's house. I think, guys, you people who are watching me, we have already updating you about my mom's house. We have already painting outside here. So today's job, guys, I'm going to start clean the window to my mom's house. So guys, let's enjoy the video until the end. Good job. So I have a container here. This has actually it's a window cleaner. I've mixed omo, yeah, and I have a brush here. So let's start. So guys, this is how I clean the window. This is our window one. I don't want to spray in the wall to avoid water to the place that they painted. So that's why I use this one. Kwa vipi? Kwa vipi? Sabuni gani ya maji? Oh, iko. Hapo kwa tanka hapo. Na kwa bafu.
Kwa nini ile kipande nzima hizo?
Iko isha. Yeah. Iko kwa bafu. Si ni kipande. Sawa, sasa nikuje kuone. So guys, I'm talking to my mom. Asa nikuje kuangalia.
Hi. I'm washing vyombo.
Mama. Look at that's my mom. He's doing cleaning. She's cleaning the for today. Na avoid kunini. Toka maji hapa. Hata hichi ni kikavu. Sasa unajua natumia nini? Ili kutoa hizi maji siende kwa rangi. Mpaka rangi. Mambo imechemka. Guys, I've already finished cleaning the windows, and you can see my mom's house, how it looks like. It looks very, very, very beautiful. Yeah, actually, if you're new here, and I know you watch my brother, go and watch his video since we started painting the wall. Actually, he's the one who update you about the progress of my mom's house, you know. So I want to take you up there so that you can view the place. We have these are stairs, and these stairs, guys, we have not finishing making yet. We have not finishing making, so we are going to exchange these stairs so that we can put another one, so that's slant like this. Actually, we are going to extend this part to come outside so that they can lie like this, you know. These stairs can lie like this, and right now when I'm climb up here, this place, it's not good, guys. Think you're understanding me. So I've already reached up here. So these are place of chilling place, guys. You can see how these people making a good job. Yeah, actually, you are already finishing painting my mom's house. So this place, this is how it looks like. This is a chilling place. Yeah, that's why I'm telling you guys, you come to visit us. This is a chilling place. You can view the point. We have borders right there. Those are buildings. Guys. You can view the place. So here it's a chilling place, a good place for relaxing. But in the evening and in the morning, when you come in the afternoon, there's a lot of sun. Yeah, so this is our compound. This is how it looks like. She's my beautiful mom. I want to take you inside, guys, so that you can see what's going inside. Actually, today's vlog, guys, it's about cleaning, not about the progress of my mom's house. Yeah, so we are inside. This is my mom's house. So maybe I want not maybe guys. I'm already finishing sweep cleaning the windows. So right now guys, you can see the job was going on here. They were making a TV station. TV station boards are there. So what I want to do here, it's about cleanings. So I want to remove these things here. Not remove, I want to put in the store. Actually, Mudadi, uzo nifungulie store weke hizi vitu ndani. Yeah, I want actually I want my cousin so that I want him to put these things here. Chukua hiyo rangi uniwekee kwa store. Nataka nifanye hapa ndani sasa. Yeah, today's vlog guys is about cleaning my mom's house. Yeah, so we have already finishing putting TV station. That's my mom's TV station. That's how it looks like. Actually guys, I know you have seen my brother Chakmatiko vlog about updating my mom's house. So today's my vlog is about cleaning. I want to start from kitchen. Actually, I know guys, inside here, each and every day when we do clean and the job comes. When we do clean, the next job comes. So my work, it's today's vlog. I want to clean my mom's house. Yeah. Maziek. Chukua vitu zote uweke kwa stove, hizo marangi rangi hizi. This is a container that they were making for painting. This one. Yes, Kimi. Eka. Actually, we don't have a store inside here, but at the moment, we have my mom. She has a inside here, so we have one bedroom that I will keep this the material that's remaining. So that's why I have called the guy that they called Avocado Man to help me to put this painting in the store. Yeah. Hey. Oh. So yeah. Ni sawa. Yes, my people, after finishing our work in my mom's house, and right now I have my beautiful mom here. We are going for a nature walk. Actually, she can say hi to you people who are watching us.
Hi.
Where are you heading, mom? Where are you? Tunaenda wapi?
Tunaenda kuangalia shamba kama mahindi yamekuwa, tuanze kupalilia na kuweka mbolea. Tulilimia huko chini karibu na site ile
Site B.
Site B.
Yeah. So guys, we are going for a nature walk with my mom after finishing doing job in her house. So right now guys, we are going to see the maize that we planted. Actually, my people, we have two shambas. We have another shamba up there, and we have another shamba down here. So these two shambas we planted maize, and it's been a while since we planted down here maize, and right now we are going to see if the maize has grown well, so that we can start removing weeds, you know. So right now guys, we're heading to our shamba. Halo. Ndio tumefika. I'm receiving a call, guys. So right now, guys, keep watching, stay with us until the end. So you are crossing a shortcut. Yeah. Wamepanda. So guys, you can imagine how people are farmers. These are wimbi, actually called wimbi. Wimbi, ulezi.
In English,
Millet. So this one that we're seeing here, actually one sack of bags is so expensive. This one. This is that my mom used to make porridge. This one. So from here, actually this place is not familiar to you, my people. Maybe for the new subscriber. In this place, they are planting tobacco. I know you people, you know tobacco. Yeah, so right here we are crossing. Actually, this is another road to go to our Shamba, and this one. So right here we are passing through a slaughter where people slaughtering cows. Yeah. Finally, guys, I've reached at the Shamba that's I was talking about, I and my mom. So right now here, guys, that we are seeing that we are fencing from the other side up to here, but up to the other side that we're seeing there's a stone. So right here that we're seeing here, my people, here, right here, there's a kales here and maize. So these kales, guys, we are going to remove it so that you can see we planted maize and kales. That's why right here we planted in the other side up there there's a maize, and here we have a sukuma wiki which is called kales. And the other side you can see we have started removing weeds right here and the other side. So from here our Shamba move from the other side up to here, and from here that's why you can see from the other side up to here, from here up to from there. So right here, this is our gate. This is our gate, guys. This is our gate that you're seeing. So our Shamba moved from this side up to there to the stones. Guys, I think you can see the stones are there. So right here we have kales inside here, and the same time we have maize, and we have started removing weeds. We have blackjacks and the kales. So before we bought this land here, the owner of this land he planted kales skuma. So that's why we planted maize. You know, skuma takes several months so that they can grow and harvest. Yeah, so our Shamba actually up to the other stone. So this is our Shamba, guys, and we have the other side. I've told you guys, the other side we have two Shamba, and they at our home and this place. So right here, this is our Shamba. That's why I brought to you today here, so that you can see our maize. You can see where we have started removing weeds. So right here you can see we have we have a mark here. We have a mark here, but this place you can see, guys, we planted maize, and the maize, they have not grown well. So we must plant again. We must, kukoboa. Actually, in our language, in Swahili, we want to kukoboa. So right here, the maize that they have not grown, so we're going to plant again so that they can grow. So right here, we're going to remove it those kuma so that our maize can grow well. So guys, I want to end my video from our side. Kindly, guys, thank you for watching my video, guys, until the end. I love you all. Bye bye. Yeah, at the same time, guys, before that, from this our plot, our Shamba, it's not far from my brother's project B, site B. I mean, not project, site B. It's not far from here to my brother's project. It's around the corner. That's there. Yeah.